Summit 2024 marked its second edition on February 3rd and 4th, organized by the Muslim Industrialists Association at Palace Grounds. This dynamic event showcased a diverse array of businesses and entrepreneurs, providing one such platform for the founder of the Ilm Foundation, M. Lateef Atiyar. For 12 years, Atiyar has tirelessly worked to highlight the significant contributions of Muslims to science. This initiative aims to shed light on forgotten chapters in history, emphasizing the rich scientific heritage of civilizations like Arab, Chinese, Greek, and Indian. The primary objective of this platform extends beyond awareness, seeking to real-life heroes to today's digital generation, often influenced by fictional characters. In a compelling session at the summit, Sadathunnisa Degree College Principal Sumaiya Fatima, along with her students, took center stage. They passionately highlighted 50 Muslim women scholars across various faculties. Notable figures included Razia Sultana, a Muslim ruler, Mariam Al-Ijliya, Astrulabi, and Sutayta, the mathematicians. This effort not only honors the accomplishments of these remarkable women, but also serves as an inspiration for contemporary generations engrossed in the digital world, steering them away from fictional role models towards tangible and empowering figures.
This is the research work of me for the last 12 years. The purpose of this research work is to showcase the Muslims' contribution towards science. Generally, in the textbooks, what we see that Western names have been represented in the textbooks. So, to inculcate that value, the foundation laid by the Renaissance, when we talk about the Newton, Galileo, and some of the scientists, those who have contributed, the basic work has been done by the Muslims, and this was the foundation. So every civilization has contributed in the field of science. It's not only the Western civilization has contributed. It was the Arab civilization, it was the Greek civilization, it was the Chinese civilization. We can talk about the Indian civilization who has contributed. Why we are doing this exhibition? We have two purposes. One purpose is to create the awareness in general purpose, what the people have contributed in the society. Second important purpose is to inculcate the values. We want to show them as a real model. Right now the students are lacking behind the role models. Role models are artificial characteristics. If you talk about the Marvels, if you talk about the Spider-Man, other things, those are the role models for a young generation. But we want you not to follow those models, those who are not a real character. We are representing here the two characters of Muslims, women scholars, the women, those who have contributed from 6th century to 21st century, and we are showcasing the Muslim scientists who have contributed in the field of science like mathematics, physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, psychology, and all the subjects we are covered. My only purpose is not to just write a book, because right now if you talk about the young generation are not able to read the books. They are on social media, they are on Facebook, they are on Instagram. So that's why I have created one character. Let them post their photograph, let them talk about that. That will inculcate. Otherwise, we are using the old method. If you talk about our education system, yes, I am maybe interested. This research work has been done through the books only. But when I want these books to be read by my child or my friends or new generation, they have very little bit of span time and they can't spend 5 hours, 4 hours to read a book. What is the best method? Is the best method to have them in charts, you have them in social media, you have them to play them character, they can post on their own accounts. That's the way we can inculcate these values into it. The purpose has already been served, because if you through books also you are providing the information, through charts, through these types of exhibition and inculcating, the purpose is the same.
Basically this is on the discover the great intellectual Muslim women of all times, that is of Islamic history. And this is what students are portraying, the characters of 50 women scholars of Islamic history. And yes, in history, as we all know, we study on people, certain people, culture and places, but many of us are unaware of the women scholars who have contributed to the women empowerment. And this summit in which we are participating focuses on these 50 women scholars who have made an impact and are inspiration to the young women of today. So we are, from the past 15 days, we are working on it, and this was proposed by Amin Mudassar from Sigma Foundation to the Honorary Secretary of Bismillah Educational Trust, Mr. Mohammad Saifullah sir, and we got to know about this, and Mr. Lateef Atiyar from Ilm Foundation visited our college and interacted with the staff and students and highlighted on these 50 women scholars and how we need to portray this on this February 3rd and 4th on the occasion of MIA Business Summit, and that is how we got to know about it.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It is a very warm welcome to our 2 days exhibition Intellectual Women Every Time. I am Sania Taranum from 3rd year BBA from BT Sadathunnisa Degree College. It is a great opportunity to describe the character of a great mathematician, Sutayta Al-Mamali. She was the first Muslim woman mathematician. She was born in 930 AD. Sutayta Al-Mamali was the daughter of Judge Abu Abdullah Al-Hussein. She was a brilliant lady who had her heart and soul for mathematics. She showed her great skills in mathematics, which went beyond a simple aptitude to perform the calculation. She also made a valuable contribution to this field, such as Arabic literature and Hadith. Her father guided her with many other reputed scholars. Her specialties were not only in one subject. She was very well versed in Hadith and Arabic literature. She also known for Hisab and accounting in Arabic. She was expert in successor calculations. She was famous for algebraist and legal scholar. She also invented solutions for some mathematical equations. She created equations. Many mathematicians utilize her work, reference it, and build on it. Sutayta Al-Mamali made an original contribution to this theory and to the theory field of arithmetic. She was died in 377 Hijri. She also known to have memorized the Quran.
I consider it a great privilege to present one of the great women Muslim scholar, mathematician and an astronomer. She is well known as Mariam Al-Ijliya Al-Astrulabi. She was born in Syria in 10th century. She is well known for developing Astrolabs. Astrolab is an ancient navigational and astronomical device that equates to the handheld model of the universe, which has multiple functions such as identifying the stars, sun, moon and planets, to determine the local latitudes given local time and vice versa. Mariam conquered the design and making of this device, which required complex mathematical calculations, precisions and a branch of applied science with great status. She has been credited for developing the first complex astrolabe with her invention similar to GPS navigation tool for the stars. And she followed her father's profession, which is known as Mariam Al-Ijliya Al-Astrulabi, and she was employed in the court of Saifuddaulah. Saifuddaulah, one of the powerful Hamid ruler in northern Syria. And there she learned to develop the navigations and timekeeping techniques during that time. Mariam is known for her academic brilliance and exceptionally focused mind that laid the foundation for managing transportations and communications. Her contribution to the science of astrolabe was officially recognized from here on, and she was being recorded as one of the powerful and brilliant astronomer during the time.